Dolly in the house. What? What's up, everybody? We are back real quick. Hey, girl. Hey, hey, girl. Hey. Did you miss me? Miss me? What? What's up, everybody? We are back. Part 2 to this video. Okay, guys. As you can see here, I am done with the fourth bleaching. This is the color we came up with. We ended up with. I think I lighted up pretty well to finally go in with the toner. So yes, this was so yeah, I'm using my Aphogee spray to protect my scalp and protect my hair. Yeah, saturating it all over the hair. I'm not mad. I'm pretty proud of myself. You know, that's why trust the process, people. Don't be rushing with things. Trust the process. I also use my keratin oil treatment, so you know, again, to protect my scalp. And I always buy like little treatments. Use a treatment like once a week. So here I got my 20 developer and my 10 developer. My 20 volume developer, I got it at Sally's. I recommend you guys get your stuff at Sally's. I also got my T18, my Wella T18 and Wella T11. Those are the two colors I'm mixing to try to get the color that I want. I got my little bowl, you know, my make sure your nose is clean. So now we are gonna go in and start mixing these toners. So I put my Wella T11, my Wella T18. You mix those two. And then when each bottle of toner, you want to put 2 of those same bottles of developer of your 20 volume developer. And make sure you guys buy a big bottle of your 20 developer because I bought a small bottle, but thank God I had an extra bottle, so I had to mix 2 different brands. Don't do that. I don't even know if that's good to do that, but I had no choice. That's why I say do your homework before doing this at home, or don't try this at home. You know, get a professional. We're just mixing. Honestly, because I have short hair, I think I put too much. Next time, I will do half the bottles because my hair is short. If you have long hair, then use the whole bottle. Now I know, you know. I feel like I wasted a lot of toner because... And another thing, if you guys want to... I recommend you guys, when you guys do the toner, put it in a bottle instead of a little bowl. Because when I wanted to put it away, it was... I wasted it. I wasn't able to put it away. I started from the front on this one because I honestly, since I'm not bleaching no more, and I didn't think it was a big problem, but what do I know? You know, I'm just going in and make sure I put that all over my hair. Just going around. Make sure you guys have someone to help you or get a mirror to be able to look at the back. Again, open your windows, guys, because remember, this smells pretty strong. So, you know, I did this during the day, so my daughter was at school. Should have had her help me or something. So, yeah, putting it all over the hair. Make sure that, you know, you put it everywhere. I just feel like, I hope that this color, you know, turns out the way I want it to turn out. All right. All right, so now we put the cap on and we wait. On this next clip, I will let you guys see my reaction. Okay, girl, I'm back. This is why they charge a lot of money when they do your freaking hair. God. Okay, I'm scared. Scared to reveal this color. I don't even know. I just watched it and the whole time I had my eyes closed because I didn't want to look at the color without you guys, you know? Oh my God, Jesus. God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Girl, I don't even know. I don't know what to say. Wow. Oh my God. Okay. This was not the color that I wanted. OMG. So I'm using my Monet Intense Repair Treatment. I mean, wow. 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 Okay, guys. So as you guys can see, I was pretty shocked. That was not the color I was expecting, but I am not mad at it. I ended up with a platinum blonde, mixing my T18 and my T11 with a little bit of my Colorcharm 050. Right here, again, guys, I'm using my cream, my Rejuvenate Beads by Monet. So link will be in my bio. Make sure you guys check that out. Honestly, you know what? Be bold. Be bold. You know, after I went bald, I just remember that hair is hair and you have to be patient, you know, trust the process. If you want this color from one day to the other or you have something to do, this, I do not recommend to do this. Do this when you're at home and, you know, you have nothing to do, you know, and take your time and trust the process. Make sure you guys moisturize your hair and do hair treatments, do your homework. I use a lot of different brands. Like I said, I use whatever works for my hair. And I will let you guys see the final results after a few days. I'll be back. Girl, look at that hair, girl. Girl, stop it. Stop it. Girl, look at it. Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself. I can't believe, you know, I did this myself. Like I said, trust the process, you know. It's okay if you mess up. Don't get frustrated. You know, just enjoy what you're doing. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to follow my social media, Dali_DS3.